Welcome to Storytime on the Back Porch. I'm Lisa, this is Tiberius, and this is Lila, and this is Astro Girl, the star of our story today. Let's find out why she wants to be an astronaut. Astro Girl is written by Ken Wilson Max. Let's get to it.
Astrid had loved the stars and space ever since she could remember.
I want to be an astronaut,
Astrid told her best friend Jake as they gazed at the stars.
Will you bring me an asteroid when you come back from space?
Asked Jake.
Of course I will, Jakey. I want to be an astronaut,
Astrid said at breakfast. Are you sure? Papa asked. You'll have to go round and round the earth in your spaceship. He swung her around.
I can do that,
Astrid said, giggling. What about eating food out of a tube or package every day?
I can do that,
said Astrid as she munched a cereal bar. Okay, Astro Girl, you'll have to get used to zero gravity. Papa threw her up in the air.
I can do that all day,
Astrid laughed. What about all the science experiments? Asked Papa. Could you do those, my brave explorer?
No problem,
said Astrid as they made rocket ship cookies. Will a space cadet like you be able to sleep on your own among the stars? Papa asked.
I think that will be very hard, but I'll do it,
Astrid whispered. At last, it was time to go get Mama. Astrid wore her favorite space t-shirt. At the Space Center, Astrid and her papa moved to the front of the crowd just as the doors opened.
Mama!
Astrid gave her mama a big kiss.
I missed you,
said Astrid.
I want to be an astronaut just like you,
said Astrid.
You're my hero.
Now you know why Astrid wants to be an astronaut, because her mom was. You can actually learn all about being an astronaut in the back of this book too. Astro Girl. Pretty cool story today. Thanks for joining us on Storytime on the Back Porch.